and integration of methods. Used in social sciences and knowledge of decision making through lab experiment. This is NBSEC, the research
একটু দূরে কও, তোমার কথা বোঝাও যে কেউ শুনতেছে কিনা।
that will take in a matter of
মাইক আরো বাড়াও, মাইক কাজ করতেছে না।
research element to investigate issue listed in the study first and foremost targeted Northeast Medical College Hospital. There are several parameters for the study methods which are listed below. Rationality of selecting the study area. Now I am working as assistant professor in this hospital, Sylhet. I used to visit the patients both in indoor and outdoor with full time. I chalk up all patients' reports with complication and also available here with all facilities of them. I am trained with specially in pediatric cardiology and doing echocardiography in this hospital. That's why I am interested regarding this area here. Besides this, I have also read different literature about the congenital heart disease and informed its different activities through internet, mass media, print media, and patients, academia researchers, and policymakers. Primary data collection. The primary data will be collected on the basis of field observation, interviews, questionnaire, key informant interviews, feedback meeting, and relevant networking, negotiation, communication, and interpersonal communication. Lab experiment. A chest radiograph will do for each patient as part of the routine investigation for recurrent lower respiratory tract infection. The radiograph will read by the radiologist and the pediatric pulmonologist. Lower respiratory tract infection will be confirmed when both reports will be positive. All of the cases of recurrent lower respiratory tract infection then will go for ECG and color Doppler echocardiography done by pediatric cardiologist. If any congenital heart disease can find, then be recorded in research notebook. Questionnaire preparation and technique setting. Different types of questionnaires preparation according to follow the research objectives as a whole. These questionnaires will be categorized on structured, semi-structured, and unstructured according to respondents and key informant status based on congenital heart disease patients, visitors, and so on the priority of setting techniques, digital and non-digital data including male and female reflection. Key informant interviews. Interviews will be conducted with 4 of the 5 key informants that responded positively to our request for interviews on the questionnaire. Each interview consists of an approximately 20 minutes interview with an open-ended format. Secondary data collection. Secondary data will be carried out the following.
Interruption. Key information interview.
Information.
Informant.
Yes. তো তারা স্যার মানে স্পেশালিস্ট ওই বিষয়টা।
Secondary data will be carried out on the following in the library: books written by foreign writers as well as by homeland professors and researchers, thesis, project